Hi there everyone, this is Melissa from DJ Event Planner, and today we're covering the changelog topics from February 5th through March 25th, 2024. To begin, we will look at the features that have been added with this update. When adding a new client, the software will check for duplicate client usernames. We have added an error message that will now display a link to the employee or client with the duplicate username. Under Setup, Import Data, we have added a new functionality to allow the import of add-ons. Click on the Add-ons option, and you can then show a list of data fields that are used when creating your file. Under Main Menu, Employees, find a basic level employee, click on Quick Edit, then the Permissions tab. We have added a new setting for basic employees that allows them the ability to add, edit, or delete equipment. This can be found in the Warehouse Operations Manager Access section. This setting is disabled by default. Under Setup, iCalendar, create or edit an iCalendar. We have added the option to include related files on iCalendar feeds. This can be found in the section labeled Include the following event details. Under Website Tools, Payment Gateway, Settings, then the Custom tab, the Custom Payment Gateway link URL is now merge tag enabled. This will allow you to add a merge tag to the URL, such as for client ID, name, etc. Also under Website Tools, Payment Gateway, Settings, we have added the ability to redirect the user to a custom thank you page after a payment is made via the standalone website tool. The setting can be found on the corresponding payment processor tab that you use. Scroll to the bottom and find Standalone Tool Thank You Page Settings. We've introduced email tracking to HTML emails. When you send an email, we will automatically apply a pixel tracking image, which allows you to see when an email was opened. The viewing history can be found by viewing the sent email within DJ Event Planner. There is a button at the bottom of the page to view the history. This does not apply to historically sent emails, as the pixel was not added to emails prior to this feature being added. Under Reports, Employee, Events by Number Assigned, we have added this new report that displays events by the number of assigned employees. Under Website Tools, check Availability, Settings, scroll to the bottom of the pop-up page. Under the Abuse Settings section, the Check Availability website tool now uses the company-wide setting for country blacklists, whitelists checking. The default blacklist blocks submission from 20 of the most common countries where spam originates. You can choose to allow only your own country, or you can choose to whitelist selected countries as needed. To assist with tracking down status changes, we've updated the success message displayed to show the new status and the original status. This will also mean a log is stored in the server logs for a short period of time, allowing the developers to track down status changes. Under Setup, SMS, create or edit an SMS template, then go to the Scheduling tab. We have added the ability to send an event-based SMS based on the setup, start, and end time when using the event date as the basis of sending. To set this, click on the option X time before specific time, and a new section will appear for when to send with those 3 time options. You can now reassign payments to alternative events in an easier manner. Simply go to the event where the payment was assigned. Click the View button to bring up the payment details, and there is now a Change Assigned Event button at the bottom. Click this to either manually enter an event ID or to select from a list of events based on the Date Picker window. And we have added a warning message on the Compose email page when planning form merge tags are used in the template, but they are not found in the event record. This can occur if the planning forms have not been edited and saved at least once. And now on to the changes that have taken place in this time period. The Employee Availability pop-up now displays a warning when trying to assign an employee to the Parent Window Employee dropdown when that employee does not exist. And we have made a number of UI changes throughout the software, including refactoring optimized load time of SMS messages, email template lists, data cleaner, meeting locations, and search for venues, as well as minor fixes to the PDF generator, increasing the number of characters allowed by a scheduled email template, and adding code to prevent booking helpers to run twice on a reload of the page on an iPhone. And finally, here are the items that were fixed during this update, February 5th through March 25th, 2024. As always, you can find the latest updates to our changelog by logging into your DJ Event Planner account and clicking on the Support Options button on the left-hand menu. You can also view the changelog in full window view by clicking on View the Changelog option.